Hi everybody, my name's Dingding Liu and I'm a product manager on the Azure Postgres team working specifically on Azure HorizonDB. Welcome back to our series about how Azure Managed Postgres Database and AMD help you build better applications. Working shoulder to shoulder with the open source community, Microsoft continues to invest in Postgres. As you can see, we have more Postgres commits than any other hyperscaler. And we worked hard to make sure our customers had access to PG18 as a managed service as soon as it dropped. Azure HorizonDB is an exciting new Postgres offering because it provides a scale-out compute architecture of up to 3072 cores, plus storage up to 128 terabytes, all with sub-milliseconds multi-zone commit latency. In this video, I will show you how it works. Running on high-performance Azure infrastructure featuring AMD EPYC processors, Azure HorizonDB decouples compute and storage to bring you some amazing benefits around scale and performance. Starting in VS Code, I'm going to add a new HorizonDB cluster. When I choose HorizonDB, you will see an almost identical flow to the Azure database for PostgreSQL portal. I've entered the cluster name and regions, a simple slider for vCores, and my Entra ID enabled by default in Postgres. Now that's really cool about HorizonDB is what we've done with AI. With a simple checkbox, you can now enable all of the vector indexing and direct integration to Microsoft Foundry straight out of the box without any complex configurations. Let me show you how you convert this into a query. So right here, I will connect to my database, and I've got a toys catalog DB. I'm going to go and run a new query, and you will see what I've got in this function to list the models. To do that, we use our AI functions, and this is an example of extract, which is going to default to use the GPT-5 model for extraction. Now you can see it's actually using the toy catalog, and I also plug in my own BYO model here if I wanted to. It's doing an extraction of the franchise that the toy belongs to populate the column on the right-hand side, Toy Universe. It's a really simple example of how you can use AI natively with SQL for data transformation within the database. But performance is also a key. So now we've released a new version of Microsoft DiskANN vector index that's optimized for filtering. On the left, I've got the prior version of DiskANN. We basically turn off the advanced filtering feature. And on the right side is Azure HorizonDB version of DiskANN. If I run this query, you will see that on the left-hand side, it used to be a two-step query. It has a separate order by and a filter. But now with the new DiskANN, this is consolidated into a single operation and yields significant better performance. Scrolling down on the right side, you will see that query execute in about 60 milliseconds now. The prior version of DiskANN, which is already incredible in performance, is about 3x slower. So significant improvements in vector search, which really add up at scale. Now, how about traditional OLTP processing? Who built a cloud-native storage engine spanning zones? On the left-hand side, we got open-source Postgres with Patroni configured for high availability across zones, and on the right-hand side is native Azure HorizonDB. Everything else is identical. Same region, same zones. You can see that open-source Postgres supports a little over 4,000 transactions per second, and HorizonDB, straight out of the box with pgbench, supports over 9,000 transactions per second. Significant performance boost and throughput when you're running those highly available production workloads. Now this architecture for Horizon also extends to scaling out replicas over shared storage. Here, I've got my HorizonDB on the left side with one replica and my another HorizonDB on the right side, which has 3 replicas. And so if we can come back to pgbench again and run a read-only workload over the replicas you will see that one replica supports about 90,000 transactions per second, and on the right-hand side, I'm almost lenient, nearly 270,000 transactions per second under a single endpoint load balanced across 3 replicas on a consistent version of the data. So HorizonDB scales phenomenally as well for read workloads. We've covered a lot here: scale-out performance, transactional performance, and vector index performance. We can't wait to see what you get started with. Thanks for watching. Check out this link to learn more about Azure HorizonDB.